Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I turned $500 into $5,000 in Forex trading in just a few months. If you're thinking about getting into Forex, or if you're already trading but struggling to see profits, stick around because I'll be sharing the strategies, mindset, and tools that helped me achieve this milestone. So let me take you back to the beginning. I started trading Forex with just $500 in my account. I remember feeling both excited and nervous. I had read all the success stories, but I also knew the risks involved. The first thing I did was focus on educating myself. Before I made a single trade, I spent weeks studying the market. I learned about key concepts like pips, leverage, and lot sizes, as well as how to read charts and understand market trends. Now let's talk about the key strategies that helped me grow my account. 1. Risk management. This was a game changer for me. I never risk more than 1 to 2% of my account on a single trade. Even if you're confident in a setup, always have a stop loss in place. 2. Trading with the trend. Instead of trying to catch every market reversal, I learned to follow the trend. The trend is your friend. By identifying strong trends and sticking with them, I was able to minimize my losses and maximize my profits. 3. Fundamental and technical analysis. I combined both approaches. I'd check out the news to understand global events affecting currency prices, then confirm my trades using technical analysis like support and resistance levels, Fibonacci retracement, and moving averages. One of the biggest things that impacted my success was my mindset. Forex can be an emotional roller coaster, and if you're not careful, fear and greed can take over. I learned to stay patient and disciplined. Sometimes it's better to sit on the sidelines than to take a bad trade just because you feel like you need to do something. I also set realistic goals. My aim was to grow my account steadily rather than trying to get rich overnight. So, when did things really start to turn around for me? I'd say it was about 2 months into my journey when I refined my strategy and stuck to my risk management rules religiously. One of my best trades was during a major news event. I caught a big price movement on EUR/USD. But remember, it's not about getting lucky once. It's about staying consistent. And that's how I grew my account from $500 to $5,000. I also want to mention some of the tools and platforms that made my trading easier. I use MetaTrader 4 for placing trades. It's a solid platform that allows for technical analysis. I follow economic news using apps like investing.com and Forex Factory to stay updated on market-moving events. Finally, I recommend using a trading journal. Tracking your trades helps you learn from your mistakes and refine your strategy over time. To wrap things up, Forex trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and a solid strategy. But if I can turn $500 into $5,000, then so can you with the right mindset and approach. Make sure to stay educated, manage your risk, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.